What's up, you all? Wanted to do a very special announcement. Merry Christmas, by the way. A very, very Merry Christmas to you all, and happy holidays, and just happy life, and to you all. And I want to extend something, a special, I guess you could say, but it's going to something I wanted to bring into 2019. I've been called to do this, and I feel it's the right time to do it for myself and hopefully for those that take part in it. I'm a hypnotherapist, a certified hypnotherapist out here in California, but I've had clients all over the world, and I know at times a lot of therapy can be pretty expensive for someone. We all have different financial situations, and that's why starting from now on into 2019, I'm going to offer a sliding scale. So based upon what you can afford, sincerely what you can afford, I'm there to work with you. So we can make 2019 your best year yet, and may the next year be even better. Let's do this. Let's really create powerful change in ourselves, and then when we change ourselves, then we can help change the world. Okay? Merry Christmas, y'all. Peace.